Hi Populist, Steve here with a friendly reminder that we are 1 month away from our company-wide quarterly call. I gotta tell you, I enjoy these calls and I appreciate the unique way we all can come together and of course discuss how excellent Populist cleaning is. If you haven't been on one of these calls yet, it is awesome! Not only are we going to compensate you for your time, but we're also going to give away 3 Visa gift cards simply as a token of appreciation for you logging on, right? So during this 1-hour call, we're going to do a bunch of things. We're going to celebrate victories. We're going to discuss any challenges we may be facing. We're going to acknowledge our newcomers. So glad to have you. We're going to recognize any special anniversaries that we may have. We're even going to have an opportunity to hear from our president. We're going to review some cleaning tips. And my most favorite part, we'll invite you to share any professional or personal victories you may have experienced in the last couple of months. This industry, right, can be very challenging to feel connected, which is why we expect you to be on this call. It's also a great way not only to stay informed, but like I said, to feel connected. So I encourage everyone to take an hour, whether you're at work or not, and join us on this call. So the company meeting will be held Thursday, May 1st at 6:30 p.m. Of course, as we approach this date, we'll send out more information, some additional reminders, including a one-click email that allows you to directly log into that meeting. All right, y'all, as always, thank you for being awesome. Again, I expect to see everyone on this call. And all right, have a great rest of your month. Let's get it. Woo!